welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix getting an app to open the stream link. To fix this issue, what do you do? 1. Check for compatible apps. Ensure you have an app installed that can handle the stream link, e.g. video player or streaming app. Next, if you don't have a media player, install one from the Google Play Store. Then go to settings, click on apps, click on default apps, set the default app for the stream link type. If an app is set as default, try clearing the default by clicking on settings, clicking on app, then go to the app name, click on open by default and clear defaults. So here are the additional tips. You can check link format. Ensure the stream link is in this format and supported by your device or app. Then if one app doesn't work, try opening the link with a different app. You can also update your app, so ensure it's updated to the latest version. If issues persist, consider contacting the app developer or the streaming services support for further assistance. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Bye for now.